Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa. I am the Crafty Author, and welcome to my quilting room. Today I am working on my Etsy store, and I am making mock-ups for personalized blankets in there. So I am going to just get started and show you how I do this. right, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed that. I know it's a little quick and it's a little different than what we normally do here on Tuesdays, but as I start going along, I'm going to start doing more videos on embroidery. And this week we're doing this because we are getting ready to embroider the Scraptastic scrap quilt. That is how I will be quilting that quilt. But I have to get some stuff done for my Etsy store as well. So I will be putting new listings in there. I will now be offering personalization on baby blankets and baby quilts and rag quilts. But I will show you what I did here just so you can see. So this is the mock-up that I was working on that you got to watch me do. And if you look at the back side, this is the fabric that I used. I will be offering this up as a choice for a blanket. This is Minky. Minky is extremely difficult to sew with, and you have to pin it and spray it and do all kinds of neat things to make it behave itself. So if you're wondering how you do that, that's how you work with Minky. I'm just folding this so you can see it nice and pretty. And let's see. And voila. Isn't that gorgeous? So this is a perfect baby gift. This is another one that I did over the weekend. This is a bigger font that I used. And that's the back. And here's another one. These are so cute. They're so soft. I want to snuggle with one of them. And then last but not least, there you go. And this one, so these little samples here, actually, I will be selling some of them with that fabric, but I have embroidered the font that I have available. And so that's what you're seeing here. So when you order from my shop, you'll be able to choose which font you would like to have on your baby blanket. So yeah, so that is it for me today. If you would like to follow me on social media, the links are down below in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that little bell. You'll get notified each and every time that I upload an awesomely cool new video, and we always upload cool new videos here, and we learn lots of new things here and new techniques, and keep on crafting. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.